Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be running through some kind of photo shoot ideas that you can do at home. Obviously we're all kind of stuck in the house, but that doesn't mean that you can't still be posting cute photos on Instagram or whatever you want to post them on, or just take them for the fun of it. If you guys are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first idea that I'm going to show you is just this kind of mini studio idea that we've got. I'm really enjoying this idea. Like, this has just been so much fun to kind of set up. This is just a bed sheet and it's just kind of hung up by my clothes rail, and then it's just kind of wrapped around the wall a little bit, and I've just got my mirror off the wall, got some fairy lights that were kind of hung up around the ceiling anyway, so I've just brought them down a little bit behind me. But I think this is just going to be so much fun to kind of style up differently, and you can get so many different photos from just like a little studio. And this is just in my bedroom. This is not taking up much space at all. It didn't take all that long to set up. And I think I'm going to get some quite cute photos from this, so let's have a look. So now I've brought this little fern into the photo, but obviously you can just use pretty much anything as a prop. I've also now changed the camera angle just so I can get a bit of a different vibe to the photo and just see what I kind of like best. The trick to taking good photos by yourself is just trial and error. You kind of have to see which angles work best for you and what you like. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm just wearing this white corset top from Missguided and these pink joggers that are from Boohoo. I've got this little empty mug, so I'm going to be using this as a prop, and obviously I've got my little remote, so I'm just going to be using that to take all the photos. This is just a pretty easy place to sit and just get something a little bit different. You should basically just use as many different rooms of your house as you can, and then you just kind of have something different in your photos, because it's so easy to have all of your photos looking the same, just kind of doing the same poses, same kind of props, same like place. Especially if you're stuck at home, you don't want every single photo to start looking the exact same. So I've just popped outside to show you how I took this photo that I took yesterday. Obviously I'm still wearing the same stuff. I'm probably not going to be posting this photo because I've already posted one so similar, but I thought I'd just show you how I did it. This time I'm not going to be using my tripod, I'm just going to be using my phone and this little mirror here. It's basically just a lot of kind of trial and error, seeing how it looks in different angles and just trying to get the perfect photo where you're not looking at your phone too much, you're not getting the phone in the kind of shot. You don't want to be able to see the reflection of it, and just kind of seeing what works best. You can sometimes get a picture really quickly and it looks great, and other times it takes forever to get a picture that you actually like. This next kind of location is just a plain white wall, or to be honest, any plain coloured wall. It's really easy to take photos in front of and just kind of do like different coloured outfits. I'm just wearing this off the shoulder black bodysuit that's from Missguided. I've still got the pink joggers on. I don't know if you can see that, but they won't be shown in the photo, so it doesn't really matter what I wear underneath. I'm just going to be taking some photos with this little dried rose that I've got, so I thought that'd be quite cute. Another outfit change. I'm now wearing this little yellow crop top from Missguided and this yellow mini skirt from Missguided as well. So for these next photos I'm just going to be in front of this white wall again, but I'm going to transform it with some tissue paper. So we are back in my little makeshift studio that I've got going on. This did just collapse on me, so be careful if you decide to make one of these at home. If you want to sit on the sheet, then it might fall down on you. I'm joined by Wallace here, who is my cheese plant, and the mirror is still here. I don't know if you can really see that, but obviously I've kind of set it up as a little bed. Thank you for watching. I've seen so many of these videos where people are using like really fancy equipment, but today I've just been taking these photos on my iPhone. I've been using this little tripod which I bought off Amazon, and I think it was about £7, so I'll leave that linked in the description. I've also been using this little Bluetooth remote, which is an absolute lifesaver if you want to be taking photos on your own, or yeah, if you want to be taking photos on your own basically. And this was only about £2, so even if you don't buy the tripod, you can still just link the Bluetooth remote onto your phone, and instead of having to use self-timer, you can just kind of click away as you move around. So you might have seen this throughout the video. But that's all from me today, so thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week.